In this video, I will show you how to activate your Safe account. So one is actually really easy. What you can do is you can just head over to yoursafe.com. It may seem complicated, but you just need to head over right here. The next thing you need to do is you just need to sign up for an account. So let me log out first in order to show you what that looks like. So for this one, click onto this login again. Now, once you have signed up, you can click on sign up option right here. Click on sign up now, and then this will open this. Just enter your personal information and enter your password and agree to their terms. Once you have signed up, you just need to verify your email, and once you're done with that, you should be able to see in here a QR code wherein you can just use that in order to log in. Just scan that QR code and then head over to your actual Play Store and then install your Safe account from there. Open that, and in here you should be able to see your account. Just sign in using your QR code, which is this option right here.